Hello, myself Vinay Taplia. I am MPU marketing in charge for South Asia and India. I am here in Electronica for this wonderful session which is going on around the event. And in ST, we are covering some of the interesting fields, products, technologies which we have created. One of them is the STM32 MP2. We have new family launched called STM32 MP2 series, which is based on ARM dual Cortex-A35 and microprocessor robotics-based. With this, it also has the embedded NPU inside it, so it is able to do up to 1.35 tera operations of the AI. And we have been here installed to showcase the capabilities of our new processor. So here I'll show the demonstration on how simple and but at the same time very powerful microprocessors can do the complete product. So let me show some steps of it. So this is the game which with our kit, which is STM32 MP257F-DK. Is our development kit for microprocessor series MP2. It's can support the displays like LVDS display and other displays. It has the camera interface connection, and it can also have the robotic connections done for the co-processors. Apart from this, it has the camera. It can do the AI. We have package which is called X AI package, which is able to do a lot of different AI support and available in our website. So let me show this. We start this game with user playing with the robotic arm. Here I place one block and it's able to detect the color, it's able to detect the position, and precisely it calculates the algorithm how it goes and how it can play its own moves. So you can see that it has played. As a user, I can do next move. I can put it, for example, here, and it's able to detect again. And this way further on, it's able to calculate its own method, and it's going to be here. So obviously, I need to put it here. So if I put my game here, so it knows that I need to put it here because otherwise, so if we input its whole algorithm, and precisely it's able to put the balls. It's able to control the movements of the again, let me put it here. So this way, game continues. So you can see that everything which is being played, it's precisely being played between this arm and the user. And of course, this game is a tie. So yeah. So thank you very much for. So here the idea is to show you the rich HMI which can be done, the camera interface AI which can be done with this, and the real-time processing which can be handled by our microprocessors. Thank you very much.